We'll guide you through how to fix no sound on iPhone games. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're trying to play a game on an iPhone, but you're finding that there's no sound. This can go and be an annoying problem because it can go and ruin the experience of the game, as some games really go and need the sound to work for the game to be fully enjoyed, but you may just want it to be working anyway. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's his full guide, and without any other further ado, let's get started. It may seem obvious, but first of all, do just make sure the sound's definitely turned up. You can go and use the volume rockers. You can go and see mine's all the way up, but there's no sound coming through. So what we're going to need to do is come out of the game. You want to go and find the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and you want to go and find the option for sounds and haptics and tap there. What you're going to try doing is turning off silent mode. You can also go and tap and hold the side button in order to go and turn it off. Make sure it says ring. And also if you drag down in the top right, you can go and find the bell icon. Make sure it's not highlighted and it'll go and say silent mode off. Now we come back to the game. You may need to then go and try changing the volume and go and see if it'll work. If it still won't, try swiping up on it and we're going to go and close it. Then we can go and reopen it up again. And now when it opens, you can go and hear that it's now playing. Now, if you still find that it isn't, what we should try doing is checking the game settings. So press the three lines in the top. Of course, this will vary a little bit depending upon the game. Press settings and you may need to go and find audio, as it may go and be turned off. So what you want to do is turn it on and make sure it's turned up as well. Last of all, you can try swiping down and tapping and holding here and turning off Bluetooth, just in case someone's trying to be sent through a Bluetooth device.